और फ्रंट कैमरे की ऑप्शन है, बैक कैमरे की ऑप्शन है, इसके अंदर यूट्यूब है, प्ले स्टोर है, गूगल मैप है और गूगल क्रोम्स है, सैजिक ऑफलाइन मैप जो है, फाइल मैनेजर की ऑप्शन है, डाउनलोड की ऑप्शन है, मिरर लिंक, इसको आप बड़े इजी तरीके से आप मिरर लिंक कर सकते हैं इसको। सेटिंग्स है, गुरिल्ला ग्लास की पायदारी मैं आपको चेक करवा दूं इसकी, ये आप चेक करें इसकी पायदारी।
जबरदस्त।
आई होप कि आपको हमारी ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छी लगेगी। आप हमें ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं www.cnmhub.com पर। हमारी आउटलेट सिनेमा ऑटो स्टोर लिबर्टी मार्केट में विजिट कर सकते हैं। अल्लाह हाफिज।
All right, this is it, people. Let's move. Let's go, 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 go.
Hi, I just wanted to thank you. I'm hurting and you don't know how much you're helping me right now. I thought it was a scam. Thank you for answering every question I had, for patience, and most of all for helping me. Thank you.
I'll never be broke in my life.
The violent mayhem we have seen in the streets and cities that are run by liberal Democrats in every case is the predictable result of years of extreme indoctrination and bias in education, journalism, and other cultural institutions. Against every law of society and nature, our children are taught in school to hate their own country and to believe that the men and women who built it were not heroes, but that were villains. The radical view of American history is a web of lies. All perspective is removed. Every virtue is obscured. Every motive is twisted. Every fact is distorted. And every flaw is magnified until the history is purged and the record is disfigured beyond all recognition. This movement is openly attacking the legacies of every person on Mount Rushmore. They defile the memory of Washington, Jefferson, Lincoln, and Roosevelt. Today, we will set history and history's records straight.